Big breaking news coming in. The much-awaited cabinet reshuffle of Narendra Modi government is going to take place at 6 p.m. this evening with more than 20 new faces to be inducted into Team Modi. Probable inductees have started gathering at the Prime Minister's house at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg as we speak. Narayan Rane, Jyotiraditya Scindia, Sarbananda Sonowal, Anupriya Patel, Meenakshi Lekhi all have reached the Prime Minister's residence ahead of this cabinet reshuffle that is going to take place at 6 p.m. this evening. Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP Chief JP Nadda are on their way to the Prime Minister's residence for the final deliberations ahead of the reject. That's the big breaking story that is coming in at this point of time. And Paulami Saha, who's broken the story first on our network, is joining us live for the very latest. Paulami, take it away.
That's right. All the ministers, in fact, all those to-be ministers, the soon-to-be ministers who will be inducted into the Union Council of Ministers later this evening at 6 p.m. have in fact reached the Prime Minister's residence. Some of those names we've been hearing since a while now. Jyotiraditya Scindia, Sarbananda Sonowal, Narayan Rane, they were the first to reach over here. And then, of course, there were many others who arrived over here, which includes Kapil Patil, Bhiwandi MP from the state of Maharashtra, Hina Gavit, again MP from the state of Maharashtra. Then there is Anupriya Patel, again making a comeback into the Union Council of Ministers. She was a minister in Modi's first cabinet between 2014 and 2019. She, of course, is with a very prominent ally of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So that is going to be extremely interesting to watch as far as the Uttar Pradesh elections are concerned. And then, of course, there are others like Meenakshi Lekhi, Shobha Karandlaje, who have arrived over here. Ajay Bhatt, Member of Parliament from the state of Uttarakhand, again a poll-bound state in the early half of 2022. He is likely to be inducted into the Union Council of Ministers. Ajay Mishra, a Member of Parliament from UP, from Lakhimpur Kheri, is expected again to be inducted into the Union Council. Sunita Duggal, Member of Parliament from the state of Haryana, has also arrived. So a lot of fresh faces who are being brought in to the Union Council of Ministers. Some women faces as well: Shobha Karandlaje, Hina Gavit, Meenakshi Lekhi, Anupriya Patel, Sunita Duggal. So it's going to be a very interesting mix.
All right, Paulami, we are going to re-establish that connection with you and fix your audio and come back to you. This is the big story that Paulami is bringing at the moment. Young faces, technocrats are going to be inducted. Team Modi reshuffle at 6 p.m. this evening. That's the big story that we're bringing to you at this point of time. Over 20 new faces likely in Modi cabinet. There are some faces that are also going to be out. There are some names who are also going to be dropped from the Modi cabinet. So all eyes at 6 p.m. in terms of who the new ministers are going to be, who all are going to be inducted into the cabinet this evening. Paulami is on top of the story, getting us all the latest development. There's a new Ministry of Cooperation that has been created that we're picking up. This is first on India Today that we're breaking the story. The much-awaited cabinet reshuffle of the Modi government at 6 p.m. this evening, and all the latest developments first here on India Today.